Hello again and welcome to Eksodass channel. Today I am on this pile of soil. Most of you know that we dug up a pile, a path which was buried here whilst we're trying to prevent the erosion. So we put here these planting rings and we found a path, which means it saved us some money. We're not going to buy any paving stuff to pave this path, but the new problem that we have right now is that we have soil that is lying on here, which is easy access. When it rains in 2 days time, it can all fill up the whole path here, and it can just make our work a little bit more harder. So I'm going to take this sand to another location, which I cut grass today. The whole soil is coming here. You see, I've cut all this place here today with the brush cutter, and I just want to make everything here a little bit more even. Hello and welcome to yet another video. Today I am trying my Husqvarna trimmer, which you see here, and I'm going to attempt to switch it on. I've had a steel trimmer before, that was in 2012-13. So it starts here. So you want to push it all the way to here and hold it up with your something. Before you do that, put it back, pump it 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Today our goal is to plant these currants and these berries.